You're live, man.
I don't know if we're live. Shakil,
No, we're live. We're live.
are we live?
Live.
Live like live.
Chat.
Yeah, no, I think we're live. Guys, I'm in German 30 buys, guys. I'm in German 30 buys for those who joined. Yeah, I'm in German 30 buys. This is the setup here on my screen. I can't break it down. I'll break it down for you guys in a bit. Because of course it's London open now. So we're live. We're currently in German 30 buys. Let's see how it plays out. Hopefully we don't get a lot of wicks and we can just make a nice push to the upside, man. Let's see how it plays. Let's see how it plays. We were running in blues. And then price did pull back now as soon as the open came. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. This is the 15-minute now. If there's 5-minute close above this level here, we enter more positions. We should push to the upside. It's most likely just creating a wick on the lower time frame. But yeah, let's check. Top loss should be ideally just below that area there. I think it's just coming to like retest and stuff here, and then we should start to see it push to the upside. There we go. We're starting to push nicely now. There we go. It's a bit choppy at the open. Up, down, left, right here, but let's see. Let's wait and see.
The biggest in the Kali.
We need a nice 5-minute close here, and then it should be good. If this 5 minutes stays where it currently is, that's good. That would be a good close for us. There we go. We're waiting for this 5-minute close, guys. So we are in. It's just a bit of volatility due to the London Open. I did send this to the community, so we entered a bit earlier. We entered to profit, came back down. For those that are looking to enter, you can just wait for this 5-minute close, and if it closes above this level, you guys can enter. Above this level of support, you guys can enter if you're not already in. If you're not already in, there we go. Starting to push up nicely. We're starting to push up nicely. Sorry guys, I'm not reading the chat just yet. Just focusing on managing stuff here. For now, I'll get back to all of you guys shortly.
The big trade, that's why. The big trade.
We need a strong 5 minutes close here, guys. We get a nice strong bullish 5-minute close. The next candle should buy. The next candle should push. Are you guys in? Let me know. How many minutes for the close? 1 minute and 9 seconds. Let's see. One minute and 9 seconds. Okay, now 55 seconds. Come on, German 30, do the things for us, bro. So guys, as you know, there we go. As you guys know, I analyze here on German 40 and I execute my trades on German 30. It's exactly the same thing. There we go. Oh yeah, baby. Talk to me nicely. There we go. There we go. Talk to me nicely. 10K up. You know, guys, already. I don't have to tell you guys. Real account always. Up 12,000. Let's go. Let's go. Account double 15,000. Talk to me nicely. 17,000. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 21,000. Let's go.
Fucking hell, what? This is a good trade, eh?
Only 23,000. Let's go.
What?
Guys, I'm taking out partials. I'm taking out partials. I'm taking out partials. I'm more than happy with my profit. I'm taking out partials. I'm taking out partials. I leave a few runners to run, closing partial trades. So I'm gonna close how many positions? Close quite a few. I just left one position running. That one is running 3,700. So I doubled my account. I made 15,000 Rand profit. And my stop loss is at entry, guys. Sorry.
1 second. I watched it.
What's it? No, I'm good. Thank you, brother.
Are you sure about your food?
Stop loss is at entry. Talk to me nicely. Boo, 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 boo. W's in the chat. W's in the chat. Good morning, everyone that's just joined. Sorry, guys, I didn't greet you guys and all of that. As soon as it was 10 a.m., there was a setup, so I was in the setup. So yeah, man, now it's good to see you guys. I'm gonna read all of your messages now. Let me just, of course, message my community. Let me just message my community and tell them to move stop loss to entry. And then you guys will have my undivided attention. Undivided attention, guys.
Marcy's a good guy, guys.
I'm a good guy on the app.
You're a good guy.
Okay, so yeah. Stop loss at entry. My one position is running, whatever it is. We'll see how it goes. So, how's everyone doing this morning? I'm here now. How's everyone doing this morning? Nice, good setup on German 40. Let me just come to the comments. My one position is running, whatever it is. We'll see how it goes. So, how's everyone doing this morning? Stop loss is at entry, guys. Remember, no? Stop loss is at entry. So it's a risk-free trade now. We'll just see how it goes. W's in the chat. Damn, that just flew. Any other setups of the day? I'll keep looking, bro. I'll keep checking for you guys. I will keep looking for you guys. Don't ever stress. I'm here now. Don't ever stress. I'm here now. As long as I'm here, we're gonna eat. I'll make sure. My other entry got taken out at entry, so it's fine. I doubled my account. I had a 15,000 Rand account. I took it to 30K. That's good enough for me, man. That's good enough for me. Trade is still valid. Setup is still valid, but don't enter now. So how's everyone doing? How's everyone doing? If you made money, just let me know in the chat that, listen, you made money, just so I know. Let me know in the chat if you made some money. And if so, how much did you make? Caught the setup late, but still came out. I closed. Awe, that's good, my bro. That's good. Yeah, I won't lie. The 1 minute is still looking nice, man. The 1 minute is still looking tempting to enter again. But yeah, you know, greed is a sin, guys. But it's looking dope. Looking dope. Let's see how this one closes. If it's near close above the level of support, I'll try and give you guys another entry. If this closes above this level of support, above this level here, I'll give you guys another entry. Shaq is a bad guy because he's not doing giveaways. Please, how do I join my channel? You can message me on Instagram, and then I'll just let you guys know how you guys can join my community. Yeah, we have signals and we have mentorship, and I do have a indice group as well, but that's not always open to the public. You know what, guys? 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. If the market is moving, we have to trade, man. The market is moving, we have to trade. If this here closes above, I'm going with a very, very small entry, right? I will tell you guys. It's a very, very small entry. I've made my money. But I'll risk another 2, 3. I'll risk another 3. I don't know if I love that close, to be honest. I don't know if I love that close. Let's wait it out. Let's wait it out. I don't love that 1 minute close. Let's wait for the next one. I'm still targeting this 21, this 25, 100, right? I'm still targeting that. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna take a small buy position, right? A very small buy position, and my stop loss is just below that previous week, right? So there's my position. Really small position. I got a 0.5 running. It's really small. I'm back in buys again. Right, stop loss is, as I mentioned, just below there. And we're running in blue. Talk to me nicely, guys. We're running in blue. Stop loss is just below that previous week. It looks like the volatility will slow down a bit. So hopefully we can see a nice push to the upside. One way doesn't come back. Structure-wise, we are still bullish. We haven't broken this low. So this is an equal low, higher low. Right, so we still can anticipate price to push up and create a higher high. On my 5-minute time frame as well, if you guys have a look, we are respecting this level here. So yeah, small position on a 0.5. I'm risking about 2,000 rand here from my 15,000 rand profit that I've just made, and we're currently in profit again. There we go. There we go. There we go. Live account, you know the story. What I love about space markets, guys, there's no demo accounts. They do not offer demo accounts, and we asked for that because we don't want the demo stories here, guys. Even when you practice how to trade, guys, you practice on a real account with small funds. Don't get used to demo. Hey, it's moving nice, guys. Yeah, a lot of volatility still. If you want to move your stop loss to entry for the risk free, you can. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for maybe this, if this 1 minute candle here currently breaks, as soon as we break above this high here, I'll move my stop loss to entry. So my 0.5 is floating around 600 right now. There's up and down, up and down. Can we check US30? We'll check on that, bro, as soon as we're done with this, bro. I'll check whatever you guys need to check. There's a delay of 38 seconds. My bad. I mean, there's nothing I can do about that, guys. Sorry, man. Check gold. I'll check gold for you guys. I will check gold for you guys. Don't stress. I got you. I got you. I got you. I got you. But it does seem like this chart is a bit delayed. Yo, what happened there? How did that come all the way back down there? Right there. So still in. Price is just below my entry now. Should we add more positions? I'm joking. Don't. Just let it play. Let it play out. Don't get emotional and add more positions. You planned what you wanted to risk on this. Like, for example, me, I plan to risk the 2 grand. So let's just risk that and we'll take it from there. Previous low is still holding on that 1 minute. That low looks like it's still holding, but if it breaks there, yeah, stop loss took me out, guys. Stop loss took me out. Oh wait, I'm slightly, I just made it in. I'm still in very close to stop loss, but if you're still in hold, maybe move your stop loss on space market at 25,018. If it breaks there, wait it out because it could retrace much further down before pushing to the upside. So the retracement might be a little bit more deeper. All right, stop loss took me out. Stop loss took me out. So my account is currently on 27K from 15K, 27,700. So yeah, took a loss on that one. But we did catch the initial move. Cool. Let's see what other things we can see. Let's see what else we can see. Let me just have a look here quickly. Lower time frame. Let's see here. Can still get some rejection, but let's wait it out. Let's not jump into anything now. We could get some support here. But if our lower time frame structure broke on the 1 minute, we need to wait for lower time frame structure to turn bullish again. Cool. Let's check gold. Let's check gold. Let's check gold for you guys. Gold is extremely bullish, guys. Extremely bullish. Let's have a look at the 4 hour. So on the 4 hour time frame, you guys can see there's lots of bullish momentum, right? So if you have a look at that bullish candle, you can see it took out a lot of price action of the previous 3 4-hour candles, right? So that's like what, 12 hours, right? So this 4-hour candle is extremely bullish. We then had another bullish candle that's continuing the bullish momentum. It looks like we have a small time retracement coming along, right? I do see there's a level of resistance there. Let's see if it's a psychological level. Yes, it is a psychological level of 5175, right? So what we could potentially see here, oh, I like this. So what we could potentially see here is we could see price. If you guys have a look, you'll see. With your email, they want to find out more about trading. No problem. You can give them my number as well. Okay, well, okay, I'll give it to you after the session. So if you guys have a look here, right, this is a very strong level of resistance. Okay. And on the 4-hour time frame, if you guys have a look, we had the big breakout. It looks like price is retracing. So we could want to push down to this area here. Get one more retest before price pushes up, right? So what we could potentially wait for here is for price to come to 5175. We get rejection there, and then we'll buy targeting these previous highs here. Even the 200, that's 250 pips, that's more than enough. Right? So we look for rejection here on the lower time frame, we buy. Guys, how was that setup I sent you guys yesterday, or I told you guys yesterday, to buy from 5,100? How clean was that setup? And same story there, very similar to what I'm going over now on the 1 hour. Let me start on the 4 hour, right? So why we saw that setup there is that yesterday, right, we had that big push to the upside and price was playing around this area here, if I'm not mistaken, right? And I said price could come down to retest that breakout, right? So we had a breakout, price came, retested. I took a very aggressive entry on this yesterday with the community. We made some good money. And then yeah, price looks like it's on the way to the upside now. But yeah, for now, currently on gold, nothing that we can jump in just yet. I think gold is bullish until this is broken, right? This is that previous low. If you guys have a look here, if you're looking at structure, you guys can see here's a low, there's a high, there's my higher low, there's a higher high, there's a higher low, there's a higher high. So a nice retracement at this point for price to push up looks good, right? Another confluence will be there's a low, there's a high. That's my fib zone, right? My hot area that I like on the fib, my 78.6 level, right? So if price comes here, I get nice rejection. Remember, we can't enter until we see proper rejection, right? Then we can look for potential buys, right? So we look for something like so. Buys there, stop loss just below that previous low. Take profit 1, of course, will be that 200 level because that's a very strong psychological level. Take profit 2, we should be targeting, of course, the previous high, and take profit 3, we can target this. Right, depending on how strong the bullish momentum is, yeah, that's how we can just keep maybe trailing our stop loss. But yeah, for now, nothing that I've entered just yet. I like to enter on my strong psychological levels. US 30 is pushing back. German 30 is pushing back up. Yeah, I think it found, there we go. It found support here. See that level of support. Hey, if it breaks here, guys, it can fly. But don't try to chase it. It's very volatile. We got that nice entry. That our first entry was perfect. It moved up nicely. It took out the previous highs. Don't be impulsive and just try to enter as it's moving up. You can see it's consolidating. It's doing a lot of, it's doing the most around this area. So just be careful. be careful. Lower time frame should. No, I see lower time frame hasn't broken the previous high just yet. But yeah, just wait it out, guys. Just wait it out. But ideally, this should push up to 25,100. Even if I look at the 4-hour, yeah, it should push up to 21,400. It just missed that, man. When it pushed up in the morning, it just missed it. But it's chilled. It's chilled. It's chilled. It's chilled. Will a signal be sent? Yes, if I'm live on stream and I see a setup, bro, I trade. I send the signal, bro. If I'm live on stream and I see it, I send it. You probably just joined a little late. You got in. If you are in now, move your stop loss to entry. But there you go. See, it's on its way now. It looks like it's on its way. Marcy, get them to remove the bottom or top banner from the stream. Then we can see your charts better. Okay, yeah, you're right. It is a bit much, eh? Maybe I'll speak to them to remove the top or the bottom one. Maybe just this, I think maybe the top one or even the bottom one. I think it's better on the top because majority of the time I'm working around this area. But if you can't see it, guys, just message me in the chat. Let me know you can't see it. Please, can you check the messages? Yo, there's a lot of messages. MFX Way made 6K, clean setup. Morning, bro. Your gold analysis yesterday was fire. Thank you so much, my bro. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I hope you guys made some money. Oh, there's a lot. 7K for the morning. That's good, brother. What's up, my G? I have a question. Why do most trades experience multiple positions instead of one big lot? So there's a question in the chat. Why do you open a lot of multiple small positions opposed to one big lot? It's because a lot of the times you enter a trade and you want to monitor how the market is behaving at that level. Like, for example, when we entered our first trade at this point here, I was entering to see how the market's behaving. And then as I got more rejection in the beginning of the stream, as I got, like, for example, some rejection on that 5 minutes, I then started adding a little bit more positions, opposed to just opening one big position and then price goes into a bit of a drawdown. So you rather open a small one, goes into a bit of a drawdown, you can see, okay, cool, your levels are holding, then you just start adding just a few more. But yeah, don't go into aggressive, guys. Don't go into aggressive if you're not 100% sure of what's going to happen, you know. My golly, this flip W for the win. Sorry, guys, I'm just going up and just trying to cover all the messages. We hungry, bro. Feeling alright, your analyst and goes good. Sharp, cool. Okay, I think I caught up with all the messages now. Marcellino, you're a legend. I'm up 2.2K at the moment. Beautiful, guys. I'm glad. Margin call. Full margin. Can you check US30? Okay, I'll check that now. You're currently at gold buys. Okay, that's good, bruh. My German 30 moved differently. If your German 30 moved differently, you're probably trading with another broker. But yeah, we made money. You guys that joined a little late can open, you can rewind off there and see the beginning of the stream when I sent those buys. We went into the second entry again. It pushed up in a bit of profit, but it came and took out my entry. But that was a very small position. Can I check US30? Okay, I can check US30. This is not my chart, guys. This is not my chart. So US30, I'd stay away from it for now. The reason being, if you guys have a look here, you can see we're stuck within that area. Right? We're stuck within that area. So there's a lot of confusion at this point. So what I potentially want to wait for is I want to see a bullish candle above this area or below this area, right? If it's bearish, of course, I'd look for potential sells. And that doesn't look bad at all. Because if I have a look at structure, I can see here's a high. There's my low, right? But ideally, I would like it to pick up slightly to come to within this area. So ideally, I want to see a strong bullish candle, right, that closes above this area here. And then on my lower time frame, I look for buys. And I'll target my psychological levels, like, for example, this 49,500. That's a nice psychological level. That's a very nice psychological level. So yeah, where it is currently, I'm chilling. There's a lot of confusion. So even if you go into a lower time frame, I'm sure you're not going to see much it's not really moving much. So I want to wait for price to break above that level. And then, of course, I'll target that 49,500 on my lower time frames. But for now, I'm just chilling on this. Kali, Nas buys. Okay, no, I'll show you. Let me have a look at Nas. Is it late to enter now? We're not in anything now, bro. We're already closed. We already closed our profits from the first entry. Nas, are your trades not the same if you use different brokers? Yeah, I don't know what broker you're using, bruh. I don't know what broker you're using, so I'm not sure. But most people here with space markets, and we took the trade at the same time, so everyone made money. I'm not too sure why your stuff is moving different. Maybe you chose something different compared to, maybe you thought you're opening German 30 and you opened something else. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Okay, last one, GBP USD. GBP USD, guys, I was looking at this, right? So you guys know I like analyzing my currencies, right? So if I have, let's break this down. Let's break this down together. Okay. So GBP USD, you guys can see overall, we are creating nice lower lows and lower highs, right? Now, this is my last lower high. Let me make it a bit bigger so you guys can see. Yeah? Let me do this. Okay. Right, so let's look at structure first. We have a high, we have a low, we have that lower high, we have a lower low. So ideally, if price does not break above this lower high, yeah, it's still a bearish market, right? Then if we have a look at this, there's a strong level of support, and you can see how price reacted as a resistance there, right? Make it a psychological level of 250. You can see how price is respecting this. Now, price respected it once, it came down. It didn't push all the way down to meet at least previous lows. Second time, it didn't do that. So if price on my 4-hour closes below, I'm going to take a sell on this, right? I'm going to take a sell on this. My setup is going to look like something like this, right? If I get a strong bearish close, there is a lot of consolidation around here, very similar to what we're seeing on German. That's here, right? What I just explained on German. Sorry, on what? US 30, my apologies, US 30. Right, very similar to what we're seeing there. But structure-wise, we're still holding, right? Even if you have a look at my FOB, there's my high, there's my low. Price has pushed up to the 61.8 area, right? So we within that area, right? So ideally, you guys know stop loss should be above that previous high, because even if price does push above, right, as long as it's below that area there, right, it's still a downtrend, right? Because it can push up, and this could still be considered as a lower high for price to still push down and creating a lower low, right? But let's hope that this resistance holds, all right? And then if you guys want to be a bit more aggressive, then of course just move your stop loss just below this area there, just for a better risk and reward, right? But as I said, let's wait for this 4-hour close. So we're not entering now. I'm waiting for this 4-hour close. I want to see this 4-hour close bearish and respect this level once again, and then we look to sell. Are you going to trade when Trump speaks today? So guys, I trade when I see a setup. If I see a setup where someone is speaking, someone is not speaking, I'm a technical analysis trader, right? I'm a technical trader. So that means I trade based on past price action. I do know fundamentals have a big part of trading, but if I see a setup and the market has respected a setup multiple times in the past and the price is at that point and it's lining up with my confluence, I take the trade. Right? So whether or not someone is speaking or not, here I see price act as support, resistance. So if price is underneath it, right, we bearish, meaning I should be looking for sells. Price hit my hot zone of the 61.8. There's multiple confluence telling me to sell. So whether he speaks or doesn't speak, I'll take the trade. Price goes against me, it's fine. We're not going to win every single trade, guys. Right? We're not going to win every single trade. You could find that when he speaks, this will bring momentum in the market and push price to where it needs to be. Right? As I did say, price is consolidating for a long time now. Right? So maybe it's waiting for Trump to speak before we actually see that move. So I just use news in conjunction to my technicals. I don't just trade just off the news because I don't know what he's going to say. You understand? Now, what I do know is price has reacted here multiple times in the past. So based on that, I'll take a trade. Does it make sense? Let me know if it makes sense in the chat. Any analysis on gold? Yes, I did do gold already, but we are monitoring. If it does come down to my level of support, we will consider buying. I will consider buying, but I'll let you guys know. I will let you guys know. Don't stress. Guys, let me do my withdrawal while we wait for the setup. In the meantime, let me know how the week has been so far, guys. You guys have been making money. You guys been losing money. Let me know in the chat how the week has been going. And the main thing, are you guys learning from the streams? Are you guys learning? Is it improving on your analysis? When you open your chart, when you off stream, are you seeing things a bit more clearly now? Because that should be the purpose of the stream, guys. The stream is not for just to come here and get signals. This is not a signal group, you know? So yes, if we do see a setup, like for example, we saw a setup in the morning, we will take the trade. But if there's no setup, and we're breaking down the chart, we're analyzing, this is what you need to focus on more, you know? So even if you don't have a funded account, meaning your account's not funded currently, maybe you're waiting for funds, whatever the case may be, you must still join the streams and try to learn. So when you do have funds and you can't fund your account, you know exactly what to do then, right? Because of course you've been watching the stream, you've been monitoring it, you're seeing how price behaves, and of course do a lot of chart work, guys. Like last night, probably only slept like around 4, just doing chart work, and it's something that I don't necessarily have to do, because of course I got my strategy and I've got decent amount of experience, but you'll always be a student of the game. You know, there's so much things we can just pick up and learn, and the market is forever changing. So the basics will stay the same of how price moves, but there's different patterns and behaviors that you'll figure out in a market. You just keep on looking at your charts. You'll notice a lot, guys. You'll notice a lot. You'll notice a lot. Go looking for buys now in the 5-minute. You teach us a lot, Marcy. Thank you so much, my brother. It helped me quite a bit. Your charts are much more clearer now. That's good. Definitely learning and getting comfortable. That's proper, bro. Uncle Marcy, can you check silver? Guys, silver is crazy, bro. Silver is another demon, guys. Be very careful of silver, but I'll check it for you now. I'll check it for you now. Let me just make my withdrawal quickly, guys. Remember, guys, you must trade to withdraw. Trade to withdraw. The money is only yours when it hits your bank account. Okay, so always trade to withdraw. I know a lot of people that have good months, good weeks, and it takes one bad day and they lose everything that they've accumulated over a couple of weeks or months, right? So if you are one of those people, make sure you take out your profits daily so you don't get caught in the trap of blowing everything in one day. I'm just gonna take out 15 grand for now and leave the rest on in my dashboard, and then look out for more setups. Withdrawal made. This is from the trade I took with you guys as soon as we joined the stream. So you open the trade, close the trade, and withdraw live on stream. Why is my comments not showing up here? Okay, here we go. Looking to pass my two-phase account if gold plays out well. DAX is kind of bullish now. Silver's a different beast. Yes, Bas, can you maybe make a video on SARS and how we go about that? That's a very good that's something that a lot of us need to be educated on, guys, is on SARS and stuff. So ideally, I'd say the best thing to do is get yourself an accountant, open up a business account and trade from your business. If you guys do need someone, I can recommend someone, but see I prefer you use someone that you trust. I don't want to recommend something to you that just worked for me. So if you can get someone you can trust to do your books, get someone to do your books, and they can file your tax and all of that. I've been learning a lot, made some money yesterday. It was tough one. That's good, bro. That's good. Silver's a different beast. Gold on 5 minute is looking like a buy. Let's see gold again. Yep, gold is a buy. Gold is, of course, a buy. All right, I do see price came here. This is a low. That's a higher low. But I only enter where I'm comfortable at entering at, guys. I don't enter. The market moves it out me, it moves it out me. It's not my trade. It's not my trade. Does your broker have an app? No, I use it off the web browser. I use it off the web browser. I jumped into GBP yesterday and hope it's not I jumped into the GBP USD trade. I hope it's not a big mistake. But you see, that's the problem, guys. You guys are very impulsive, right? So we broke down the chart. We know what we're waiting for, but you guys are scared that you guys are gonna miss out. And then you guys make decisions like to jump in the trade before waiting for candlestick confirmation. And then if price goes against you, so that you guys don't know what you're supposed to wait for. You guys know exactly, because of course we went over it. Here's a promo withdrawal. Huh? Yeah, so it's not that you guys don't know what you guys need to wait for, but you guys are very impulsive. So now if the market goes against you on GBP USD, right? Let's just say it goes against you. You're gonna kick yourself in the ass because you knew exactly what you were supposed to wait for, right? So try to not put yourself in that situation. It's better for a move to move on without you, opposed to you being impulsive and entering something. And yes, it might work once, it might work twice. But if you keep on doing that and you don't wait for your trades, you guys are going to definitely have problems. I had a lot of problems like that as well. Whereas you just enter, because I'm just too impulsive. And so that I don't know what I'm looking at, but just that I'm so impulsive, I just want to be in. And I think it's going to move without me. And then, I got burnt a lot of times. 100% puff nut. Don't let FOMO get the best of you, guys. See, like now, gold looks like it's going. I know there's a lot of people that are just jumping in now at a bad entry right here. Right? But yeah, don't be that person, guys. Don't be that person. Don't be that broom, man. Hey, this thing is still here, bruh. This thing is still chilling. This thing is still relaxing here, my guys. Let's see. I still like the buys, to be fair. But let's see how it closes on the 1 hour time frame. How does it want to I gotcha. What's this? 071.
People asking your number.
Go. Give me some. Stop.
What is doing it? This. Yeah,
MFX Way. Shout out my bro Jerry. Shout out my brother Jerry. What's up, my bro? Let's see what else we can chop. What else we can? USD CAD. This was actually a really nice buy, guys. And in fact, even now, still bullish. Let's have a look at what we can see. See, this is beautiful structure, guys. I love structure like this. Oh, you guys can't see my screen. Okay, I love structure like this. Let's see. Guys must just remind me to keep on checking on this side so I can see how you guys can do it. Because a lot of the times I'll be analyzing and you guys can't see. Right? So here I can see a low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Right? Bullish structure. Price looks like it's retracing to create a new higher low. I use my foot from my low to the high. Price is in my hot zone. I have a look if there's any level of support and resistance. And yes, there is. You guys can see there's a resistance. There's a resistance. There's a support. Can I make it a psychological level? Yes, I can. 750. Oh, and price is pushing up perfectly from that point. Price is moving perfectly from that point. This wouldn't have been a bad entry, to be honest, on that bullish engulfing. That wouldn't have been a bad entry for a buy on that bullish engulfing there that engulfed that previous candle. The trade should have looked something like so. Take profit 1 and take profit 2. Stop loss, of course, needs to be below the previous low. Not a bad trade. Not a bad trade at all on USD CAD. Not a bad trade at all on USD CAD. Not a bad trade on USD CAD. 15-minute rejecting on German. I think I'm going to wait for German. I'm going to wait for German. Wait for the 1 hour. Does look like the 50 minutes rejecting, but and there's so much of wicks like that, it's not taking direction. It could chill here for a while. So we got our move, push the upside, and took out the previous highs. We closed some profits. Let's relax. There's no reason to rush now. We've made money for the day. So yeah. Marcy, what about silver? Let's check silver. Who's asking for silver? Yeah, silver is a dangerous thing, guys. Yeah. Silver's very bullish, man. Very, very bullish. It was stuck here for a while. I did see that. There was lots of consolidation here. But in the early hours of the morning, I was on the charts, in fact. When I saw this, I knew this thing's about to leave. When I saw the break of this, when I saw the 1 hour break above this level and above that support, I knew it's going to buy. So this is very, very bullish. Price should continue pushing to the upside. I like my psychological round levels here. So for example, I like this level here of 90,000 or 90 rather. 90, right? You can see there. And price broke up, pushes down, it rejects nicely, and price pushes to the upside. So yeah, I like trading those round numbers here. It should reach 91, which is a previous high. Yeah, where it is currently, I wouldn't recommend trading it just yet or taking an entry now. But yeah, it is bullish, definitely bullish. If you are looking to take something, it should be buys, shouldn't be sells at all. NAS, you mustn't nice buys on NAS. Nah, I wouldn't have taken anything on NAS, to be honest, because of the previous 4 hour close. That previous 4 hour close is not giving me anything just yet, so I wouldn't have taken anything on this just yet. Guys, a lot of you guys, as soon as the market is moving, you guys think we're missing out. No, we're not missing out. We're waiting for our trades. I'm not saying it didn't buy. Yes, it did buy, but how were you going to see that buy? The 4 hour close like that, was it a safe buy? No, it really wasn't. So you chill. Just because something is moving doesn't mean we missed it. And that's why a lot of traders lose money. And another habit that a lot of you traders have, and myself included in the past, when price falls, for example, but as soon as you start to see price fall, the first thing you think of doing is where is it going to go back up. So you start looking for buys. But overall price is bearish. So as it falls, you're looking for a buy. You blow. Comes to the next level, you look for a buy. You blow. Comes to the next level, you look for a buy, you blow. Why? Because momentum is pushing to the downside. So when momentum is pushing down, look for sells. Why are you looking for buys if momentum is pushing to the downside? Right? It's because you guys want to try and catch it right at the tip, but you don't know where the tip will be. You get me? So,
That's what she said.
crazy.
I'm a funny guy.
You're a funny guy, Alex.
Yeah,
Guys, is Alex a funny guy?
I'm a funny guy.
Let me know if Alex is a funny guy.
Funny guy, bro.
But when I take buys on NAS, I'm waiting for NAS. I wouldn't take buys on NAS until this 4 hour close. I want to see how this 4 hour close. If it doesn't close above these previous highs, I won't take anything.
That's like a triple down.
Yep, it's stuck within this area. So I wouldn't take anything as long as the market closes within that area. Any Durban seminars this year? I can do a seminar, guys. I just don't know which city I should do it at. How can I put this? Let me ask you guys in the chat. Okay, let me know in the chat. From the 3 cities, Durban, Cape Town, or Johannesburg, where would you guys like a free seminar?
Cape Town, guys, please.
A free seminar. And guys, get the likes up, please. Get the likes up.
Please, Cape Town, because single funny guy. You are single funny guy.
He's a funny guy.
yo, Alex, what you press in the gym? You know, bench press. You know me. Hey, bro, like.
Alex is
I'm
a
an
strong
athlete.
guy. Alex is
I'm
a
an
strong
athlete.
guy.
I'm an athlete, guy.
Yeah, this is gonna buy now. Now it looks like it's gonna move one way. Yep, it's gonna move most likely. But you can't enter here with so much room of drawdown. It's not good. I'm happy with my profit. Why am I still looking at this? I'll catch it later. Yeah, let me know. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's a lot of people for Joburg. Okay, Joburg, Durban, Johannesburg, 031, Johannesburg.
Nobody's CBT today. Only what?
Dubs, Josie.
Come home, cousin.
London. Yo, I got people in London here, bro. Shout out to my people in London. Joburg. But there's a lot in Joburg, eh? Durban, 031, Gali. So between Durban and Joburg. Durban, Gali. 021, the Mother City. In Durban. Do a poll. Okay, let me do a poll. It's easier. Let me do a poll. Let me see how to do this thing. You guys know I'm not good at this stuff, guys. I just come here and I just know how to trade. Okay. Durban. Josie. CPT. There we go. Start the poll. Let's go. Let's see. The poll is up. Let me know. Yo. Oh, it's very close between Durban and Joburg, bruh. The fight is on here. Oh, there's a lot of Joburg people. Shout out to my people in Jersey, man. Hey, even the Cape Town Blues are coming up now. Damn it, Joburg. Yo. It's big fights here happening. Yo, Joburg people, there's a lot of you guys here, bruh. Yeah, but it's also a lot of Durban Blues. Brazil. Hey, I've been to Brazil, bro. I've been to Brazil. Didn't do a seminar. I wasn't trading that time, but yeah, I've visited Brazil. Very nice place. I had a time of my life. There in Brazil, guys. Looks like Josie is 40%, Durban 37, Cape Town 23. Let's see. I'm sure if we do it in Joburg, we'll have it. It'll be insane. But I also love my Durban Blues, bruh. That's where I'm from. Joburg's run things. Yeah, it is. UK, but from Cape Town. Hey, what's up, Dean? From the UK. UK as in United Kingdom or Uncle Mas in Durban. Yeah, it looks like Joburg is winning. Yo, King Gamer from Dubai. Yo, we got people from around the world there. That's so good. That's so good, guys. I'm from Durban, but my life is in Dubai. Aware. United Kingdom, brother. Wow, that's good, bro. How did you find out about the streams? Like on social media or you following one of the guys? Let me know. But you can't beat Cape Town. Now, Cape Town is beautiful. Marcy, I think wherever you do it, stream it to live. Yeah, that would actually be good. Or maybe we should do a tour. I was doing it in Chatsworth. Hey, I think that would be big, eh? Or maybe we should do a tour. Over a space of 3 days. Pakistan! Yo! It's maybe you guys are lying. You see Pingo Magali. Hey, that's my church. That's where I used to go to church. Botswana. Hey, Chatsworth, hey. I think if I do one in Chatswood, I'd be the first person to do a Forex seminar in Chatswood, bro. That would be dope, though. I can't lie, that would be dope. Do at Savera Hotel. Oh, yes, 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 yes. You Vashans, G's. What's up, my bro? A tour all over, that would be good. Hey, Chatswood is a dangerous place, guys. Chatswood is a dangerous place. Yeah, Jobo, but they're still fighting in the chat, guys. I mean, the votes are still fighting. Also, another thing, guys. As much as doing a seminar during the week is nice because, of course, we can trade live, right? Do you guys think a seminar should be done on a weekend where everyone is available, of course, like on a Saturday morning, for example? Or should it be done on a weekday so we can live trade? I think a weekend is better because more people can join, right? In that sense, it's better. What do you guys think? If when I do it, should I do it on the weekend on a Saturday morning, or should I do it during the week? Chatswood is proper if you're with the right people. That's true. That's very true. Chatswood Arena Park grounds. Weekday during New York. You say weekday on a Friday. People like Friday doing a public holiday. Hey, that would be nice. That's in fact a good one. But the thing is, yeah, public holiday is actually nice. I never thought of that, guys. A public holiday would be dope because that way people are off and at the same time, the market is still open. So we can still trade and make money. What people in the States here? Marcy, I have a venue for you. Wait, Jada, I'll let you know. Let's see where we're gonna have it. Then you can just let me know. Free of charge for the venue. I appreciate you, my brother. Much love for you, my G. Weekday, you'd be surprised by how many people will show up. Yeah, but that would be dope, guys. We do seminars in the hoods, not in these fancy places, you know. We must do it where the people are from. So if my people in Durban are from Chatswood, majority are there, we go there, we do it in Chatswood. So everyone can come there, you know. It doesn't always have to be in Amshlanga and stuff like that. We need to go to where the people are to make it easier for them to come. You get me? Why not a weekday but after work? I think a weekday after work could be too rushed for the people, man, especially with traffic and stuff in the evening, you know? Like, what time will we do it then? And then also, around the evenings, we're not going to get a lot of moves. You get me? So, although it would be dope to do it on a weekday after work because we can accommodate everyone, I don't think it'll be practical. Let's check gold again while we... Yep. See, I told you. Remember when price was here? I said, I know there's someone that's impulsive now that's entering that buy there. And I said, guys, wait. Now they draw down. Wait for price to come to you. This is where we want price to come. That's what we're going to wait for. I was at space. I was at the space one the last time. How did you like the space one? Where was that? Was I there? Yes, hoods, bro. Yeah, 100%. If you think this for free, bro, I think I'm gonna do it in the hood, guys. I think we're gonna do it in the hood. Do it in the hood for the people. In Phoenix. Hey, I don't know if there's a lot of traders in Phoenix, eh? In Durban, I'm not sure. I know there's a few in Chatswood. Phoenix is wild. You're gonna host an event there. Yeah, I can host it anywhere, bruh. People love me there, bro, in Durban, bruh. We've made a lot of people millionaires there. A lot of people are millionaires from what we've taught them. What level of gold am I waiting for? I'm waiting for 5175. That's what I'm waiting for. Just like yesterday, I told you guys I'm waiting for this 100, and it came exactly there. I got the trading. I just finished boxing, guys. I was sweaty. I just finished boxing training and I haven't been in a while. So the setup as I finished, it was a very aggressive entry because I didn't wait for candlestick confirmation. So I found a small account of 3 grand. I took that account to like 15 grand or something, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, about 15 grand from 3 grand. It's not bad. NFP Friday for March. What's my Insta? My Instagram is this, bro. MARCELLINO underscore FX. That's my Instagram. That is my Instagram. From Meerbank. The banks. Hey, I didn't stay far from Meerbank, to be honest. What's Uncle Marcy? What the smell in the studio? I'm not sure what that is. He is looking like he wants to buy. Why don't you swing trade? It's not that I don't swing trade. Okay, I know you're right. I don't swing trade, to be honest. I like intraday trading, man. I don't think I have the patience to swing. I'm a day trader. I don't have the patience. But there's people make a lot of money on swing trading, guys. If you have that ability just to open and hold, you can make a lot of money, a lot of money, a lot of money. I think your trading style depends on your personality. You know, your personality has a very big part of your trading style. Me, I can't sit still. I have to be doing something or whatever the case is. So that's why I'm a day trader. Then you get those calm people. I'm sure for them, swing trading is nice. They take the trade, they relax, they chill. I want to be in the action all the time. So yeah, I guess that could be the reason. You say 5175. Yes. Once price comes to 1575, that's the first thing. The second thing, you have to wait for rejection. Right? On why we look what the sun is hectic now. Why 5175? You guys can see what a nice level of resistance it was here. A resistance. See that drop from yesterday? It came from that area there. Right? So when price comes to the support and it rejects, just like it rejected yesterday and it fell when it was underneath, if price comes to the support and it rejects, there's a very high probability it's going to do what? Push to the upside, because overall our momentum is pushing to the upside. So we know it's a strong level in the market. So because it's a strong level and because it's overall bullish, there's a very high probability to fly up from that point. I like Marcy's way of trading. Profits now closed down for the day. 100%, guys. Make your money and buy, man. I mean, honestly, right? Who would give you money like that in a few minutes? Who would give you like 15 grand, 20 grand in a couple of minutes? You know? You're not going to get that, guys, in any other industry but trading. Right? So it's very important. As much as we know we can go and make so much more, right? But it's very important to also guard our capital. The more you trade, the more you expose yourself to the market. Okay? So it's very important that when you are exposing yourself, you have a clean setup, you know exactly what you do, you have a plan behind this, and then you take the trade. You know, just jumping in and out of trades the whole day, all the time, for every single move will cost you, because you're not thinking with a clear mind. You're just thinking of what I can get right now. You know, so have a plan, set a plan. You saw when I took the German 30 trade, I had a plan to double my account, which I did. I then had a runner which was floating about 5 grand or so. Came, hit my stop loss at entry. I then got another entry on the 1 minute time frame. Because it was a 1 minute time frame entry that I took on the second entry, I didn't go in so aggressive. So I only planned to risk 2,000 rand from the profit that I had first made. Right? That's what I planned to risk. Took the trade. I was floating about 1,500 or whatever the case may be. Price was volatile. It came, took me out, hit my stop loss. I lost the 2 grand. Overall, I'm still in profit about what is it, 13 grand or so from that trade or from that setup, I'm chilled. I'm chilled. There's no reason now to go and try and see what else I can see there. No, no, no. I had a plan. I took the plan. I first made money, came, took my other entry out, got back in on a lower time frame. I saw something that looked fairly nice, still supporting that overall trade that I wanted to take or that we took. And when that hit me out, I'm relaxing now. I'm not going to try and see jumping in, because in that whole time there when price was consolidating, if I kept on trying to jump in at this areas here, as it took me out, I could have lost a lot of money here, guys. I could have lost a lot of money if I was keep trying and being impulsive, you know. So even now, the buys don't look terrible. Well, okay, I don't like this 15-minute close, but I'm sure there's someone that's still getting caught in all of this noise. So once I saw that 1 minute thing broke, I knew it's about to make a lot of noise now. It's not ready to just move up swiftly, so we chill. So we chill. Yo, Josie is leading by 43%. Durban is 35%. Guys, please can you let's get the likes up to 150. Let's get the likes up to 150, please. Gold is still going up. Make monthly salaries in a few hours. 100%. 100%. We can make monthly salaries in a few hours. What time frame do I prefer when I'm looking for my entries? So the time frame I use is, yo guys, the sun is hectic here. Hey, what is that going on there? Damn, bro. Not usually like this. So I use the time frame that I'm monitoring the chart on. So if I'm looking at structure on the 15-minute, I'll look for candlestick on my 15 minute. If I find structure on the 1 hour, I wait for candlestick confirmation on that. Hey, my withdrawal has been executed, guys. My withdrawal has been executed. Do you think gold has the potential to break 5,250? Yes, definitely. 100%. 100% has the potential. See, it's coming down nicely. So I'll probably get this here later on within the day. Maybe we can even get a week now in this hour, but I will be off stream by then. So yeah, let's see how it plays. But yeah, that's basically the setup I'm looking for. Pay attention to it. I know a lot of you guys messaged me after the stream yesterday and told me you guys caught this bias on the bottom, which is good. And yeah, my people, I think that's it. Still consolidating. You see, Germany still consolidating. So that's a nice chill, wait it out. If the market doesn't want to move, don't force yourself. Gave us a lot of time that it looks like it's gonna just fly and just stuck around here, just playing around here. So don't force it. You made money off it, you chill now. You look out for other entries throughout the day. And yeah, my good people, I think that's all for me for today. Hope you guys made some co-op. If you didn't trade, I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And I will catch you guys tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Remember, there's also New York session with Staff One today. So be sure to join there as well. See, look here, look. And then you guys are telling me, gold is buying. Look now, where is the gold coming to? Where's gold coming to? See why I say you must be patient? I hope you guys can see now. I hope you guys can see now why I say you have to be patient, guys. But plan your trade and trade your plan. Jerry's a good guy. What are we trading, boss? We finished trade, my brother. I'm about to leave now. But what you guys can monitor is you can monitor 5175, wait for 50 minutes or even a 30 minutes to come down, reject this and close above this level of support. And if you do get that, then you guys can consider buying and targeting TP1 and TP2. Cool, guys. Enjoy the rest of your day. Happy trading, and we'll chat to you guys soon. Oh yeah, by the way, Joburg won. Let me take a screenshot of that. Joburg won. So we should consider doing a free seminar in Joburg. Do it in the space markets office. That would be dope. That would be dope. Shout out to all my good guys in the chat, and we'll chat to you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your